What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I go by RishaaMariee, and if you are not new here, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you. So in today's video, I'm going to be recreating another Pinterest look. Well, at least to the best of my abilities, because remember, I ain't no makeup artist, okay? So basically, I found this really cute makeup look on Pinterest. I'm gonna insert picture her. She cute, ain't she? She's just cute. She real cute. So I'm gonna be recreating that look. Now, before we start this video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you have your notification bell turned on, because I post every Wednesday. And if you don't got the bell on, you might forget and forget to check back in. And we don't want to do that, right? And then, if I nail this look, I'm gonna need y'all to, you know, thumbs up the video. Even if I don't, do it, because I asked you to. Please. Alright, y'all, I'm probably gonna make this a voiceover because I feel like makeup videos are a little longer when you don't make them a voiceover. Now, one thing, you know, the focus is pretty much the eyes. I'm gonna try to get this lip, because really, if you know me, you know I don't really do colorful lips at all. And red is colorful to me, but I'm gonna try to get the lip too. It may not be spot on, but I'm gonna switch it over to a voiceover in a few, so you gonna know what I'm thinking pretty much after it's done. You gonna know, like, oh man, I was tripping here. But whatever, I'm gonna be using 3 different palettes. I know people love to use one palette, but in order to get all these colors the way I need to get them, I think I need 3. So I'm gonna be using Jackie Aina's. I'm gonna be using Jackie Aina's, her collab with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna use Super Scents box of crayons by the crayon case, and also I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, the collab she did with Morphe. So those are 3 palettes we doing. So let's jump into this look, and let me fix the lighting so y'all ain't looking at it like this the whole time. So. Alright, you guys, so I am big with the voiceover. So first, I'm just filling in my brows. It's just some regular brow pencil. I can't even tell you the name. I think it's the Ruby Kisses, to be honest. I got it from like the beauty supply store. So it's just some regular brown, and I'm filling in my brows. Go ahead and do that. I plucked them a little bit before I started, so they look a little kind of like some, I don't know, child. My brows has just been struggling lately. Probably I need to get a wax, to be completely honest. I haven't got one in years. Now I'm adding some eyebrow gel. That's the NYX Control Freak. And then I'm looking for some concealer, I'm sure. Yep. I am using the Anastasia. It's like the little dip concealer that they had that came in like the little glass, kind of like the dip brow. But yeah, it's a concealer. I don't even think they sell it no more, but I had bought extra, so I still got it. And now I'm using the LA Pro Girl. They're white, and I'm just like buffing that onto my lid. It's so watery, so like a little goes a long way, and I always forget that and put a lot on, but whatever. I also set it with a little powder before I go in with the shadows. And now I'm going in with the pink color, and I think that's actually the name of it, pink. It's from the crayon case, the box of crayons, that palette. And I'm just, you know, trying to build that up as much as possible. Like, I wasn't a fan of the white, but before I wasn't a fan of the white, but it's actually like, you know, it's making it colorful. I applied maybe like 3 layers of the pink, I want to say. Just going back and forth in windshield wiper motions. Don't know what I'm looking for. Probably a brush, because never really had nothing together when I film. So unorganized. Goodness gracious. Yup. So now I'm going in with the yellow. This yellow is from the box of crayon palette too, and I believe it's called yellow because this palette was based off of like the actual Crayola crayons, like the box of crayons, and you know they just have regular names. So this color is yellow. And then I am finna go in with orange. That orange I got from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I wanted more of a brighter orange, but I didn't really have one. Like, this one is more of a burnt orange, but it's not as burnt as the Anastasia one. So, that one, it was cool. Now I'm using Big Wig, and Big Wig is from Jackie Ina's palette. So I'm just blending, and then what you're finna see me do next is, yeah, girl, I'm so proud of that pigment. What you're finna see me do next is basically just keep building the colors up and trying to blend it all together, just going back and forth and trying to blend and build up. So yeah, that's what's going on. So yeah, I cleaned up the foundation under my eye with a little makeup wipe. Now I added some primer. I color corrected with the LA Pro Girl. And then I'm adding a little foundation to my face. Not under my eyes, just like in like the areas that don't get that much coverage or whatever. I apply like what is that? I think the Maybelline Pro Glow, or was it L'Oreal? It's L'Oreal Pro Glow, that foundation. And then I went in and I did a little cream contouring, and then now I am adding concealer and I'm blending that out with a sponge. And I don't know, the way I did it this time, I really like how my face turned out, so I'm gonna have to do that again. And I know y'all, I don't normally wear foundation, but I've been recently applying like the LA Girl Pro Glow, which I've used like long time ago in the past, and I recently bought another bottle just to like try it out, like not to put it all over my face, but kind of like a little spot treat, just because my skin is not 100% where I want it to be, so why not? So I went ahead and I did about 2 layers of the foundation. And now I'm setting it with some powder, just some regular translucent powder, and I'm making sure I'm gonna get my smile lines. I'm trying to turn down the brightness for some reason because I was looking a little pasty, so y'all could see like the true color, but that still wasn't working, like the color for me. I am contouring with Anastasia. Oh, cheekbone. Y'all see it? Okay, so yeah, I'm just contouring everything that I want to add some definition to or whatever. Some shadow, and then I am going in with the Black Radiance soft focus finishing powder, and I put that over my entire face, and then I'm just bronzing with the Black Radiance contour palette because those are like bronzy colors. Y'all, so proud of my face. Wait, look it face, look at the eyes, it looks so flawless. Like, I'm just so proud. So now I'm doing my under eye. I just went in with pink and yellow. Yellow in the front, pink on the tail end of it. And yeah, it's just coming together super nicely or whatever. And I used both of those colors from the crayon case, as you can see. I love the crayon case, just the packaging, because look how huge that mirror is. I know y'all caught a glimpse of it. Look how huge that mirror is. I'm using the gold in there from my inner corner. Look at that just coming together. Now, what is this I'm applying? Oh, I did a little cream highlight first, with the Maybelline little cream stick, and then I went in with the Maybelline strobe powder. I think that's what it's called, the highlighter, the gold one, the chrome strobe, whatever it's called. You know, one that people was going crazy for years ago. I put that on top, and then I'm going in with a little blush. It's the Orgasm by NARS. That's what I'm doing. Alright, y'all, so I know I was doing a voiceover, but I decided to come back because this makeup came out so bomb. In my face, y'all. Skin, I have a skin video coming up real soon. Well, when I finish completely with the treatment that I'm doing, I'm going to tell y'all about it, y'all. It's just too much. It's too much. Oh, goodness. So, alright, so y'all know, in the picture, she got kind of like a red lip with like a little red pink ombre. I don't wear those type of colors on my lips, so I have these little sample NYX suedes and a little eyeliner. You feel me? That I've never used on my eye, but it's brown. And we gonna use it as a lip liner, okay? And let me put some Vaseline on first, cause it don't move. It don't move without having nothing, Oh, and if y'all interested in this, I did not film a video. I know, boo, boo. But I do have another video coming out. That's probably gonna come out after this that I'm finna film. That's gonna be how I style it. I'm gonna be like recreating somebody else's video. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. I got some ideas up my sleeve. But I do have videos on how I done Marley twists in the past. I got about 2 of them up. I got one on like butt length, well waist length Marley twist. And I got one for, you know, the people that don't like to do too much. But you know, you still want it. I got that too. So I'm gonna line with this brown. Cause I can't just go in with red. I can't. So that's the brown, right? And then I'm gonna go in with the red. Oh, I hate this. Oh, this is a red. Okay, hold up. All right, let's go on with this pink because I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, look at this. I don't like this. I don't get how people wear lipstick. Like, I do lipstick, but I do browns and nudes. Like, lipstick is, ugh. That's good, right? I hate the lip. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I do not like color lipstick. Like, it make it feel clownery. It feel very like Joker to me. I don't like that. But it's on now. It's on now. So what y'all think? No, I'm playing. This is the look. I think I'm pretty spot on. I think I'm pretty spot on. I think I'm pretty spot on. I recreated it. I got the colors. She got a little bit more yellow on her lid than I do, and a little less orange. But I like the way I did mine too. I think it looked nice. And I was so tempted to get a brown liner and some brown lip and a little nude and make this lip, honey. But I was like, let me do the look completely how she got it. Could I use some more pink? What y'all think? I ain't got no other options, okay? No other lip color options. Because I don't wear it, okay? I ain't like... Oh, pro tip, if you're going to put on a matte lip, or even if you're trying to get your liner to blend a little better, put a little Carmex, a little Vaseline, a little something, you know, on your lips under. And your matte won't be too matte, so they won't see all the crust on your lip, because, sis, that ain't cute. And then also your stuff will kind of, you know, move a little better. But this is the final look, y'all. This skin is A1. I know I don't normally wear foundation, but yeah, whatever. Don't judge me. Yeah. Cheek. I'm giving you cheekbone. I know you see it. I know you see it. But yeah, y'all, this is the final look. I hope y'all like these videos. It's been fun, like, finding makeup looks and, like, trying them and just seeing. Like, I'm also diversifying things that I will wear outside, because I ain't going outside. But this is a I should have. I may take some flicks, though, so y'all may say these pics on the gram if you're following me. Because if you're not following me on the gram, you're going to miss them. So you should do that. It's going to be up here somewhere, so you might as well just go over to the gram and follow me. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and like I told you in the beginning, I hope you are subscribed, have your notification bell on. And I said if I know this look, y'all should go ahead and subscribe. I mean, you already subscribed. I said you should go and thumbs up the video, so you're thinking about doing it, right? If you haven't already, just do it. Okay. I will catch y'all next Wednesday. Peace.